Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an enlightening topic to delve into: how to use Terraform Cloud to collaborate on AWS infrastructure. For those of you who are new to Terraform and AWS, don't worry, we've got you covered. We will break these concepts down in a beginner-friendly manner. So, let's dive right in. First off, what are Terraform and AWS? Terraform is an open-source infrastructure as code software tool created by HashiCorp. It allows developers to define and provide data center infrastructure using a declarative configuration language. On the other hand, AWS, which stands for Amazon Web Services, is a subsidiary of Amazon providing on-demand cloud computing platforms and APIs to individuals, companies, and governments on a metered, pay-as-you-go basis. Now that we know what Terraform and AWS are, let's talk about Terraform Cloud. Terraform Cloud is a collaboration and automation platform provided by HashiCorp that brings teamwork to infrastructure automation. It's great for sharing infrastructure as code with your team and running infrastructure operations remotely. Now, this is where the hands-on part begins. To start using Terraform Cloud with AWS, you need to do some setup first. You need to create an account on Terraform Cloud and generate an API token in the User Settings tab. Meanwhile, on AWS, you need to create an IAM user, assign it necessary permissions, and generate the access key ID and secret access key. Remember to store these keys securely, as they are essential for Terraform Cloud to interact with your AWS resources. Next, we need to write a Terraform configuration. A Terraform configuration is where you code how you want your infrastructure to look like. It's written in HashiCorp configuration language, or HCL. Here's a simple example of creating an AWS instance using a Terraform configuration. After your configuration is set, you can now run your infrastructure. Terraform does this in two phases: plan and apply. The plan phase checks what you're about to create or modify, while the apply phase executes these changes. Finally, we'll tackle one of the best features of Terraform Cloud: collaboration. With Terraform Cloud, you can share your configurations with your team, and they can propose or make changes accordingly. This makes managing and scaling your infrastructure a lot easier and faster. And there you have it. You just learned how to use Terraform Cloud to collaborate on AWS infrastructure. Remember, practice is the key to mastering these tools. So, roll up your sleeves and start coding your infrastructure. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. Signing off for today. Until next time, happy coding!